Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a super easy, fun holiday look or New Year's Eve look. So I'm going to start off with my tinted hydrator for Wet n Wild. I'm going to place that on my lid. Next, we're going in with some tape and then the dark brown from the Natasha Denona Glam palette. We are putting that on the outer corner of the eye to create a nice deep wing on the outer end. We're just going to blend that along the tape line. I am so annoyed, you guys. I am running out of storage on my phone and I don't know why. I've tried to clean it up so many times, delete things, delete apps, and I still have no storage. So I have to make this video really quick. So I'm just deepening that outer line with a little bit of the lash line color, which is like a deep charcoaly brown. We're just gonna blend that out along the tape line just to buff out that extreme winged liner. Next, I'm going in with my Heather Austin Adept palette and the shade So Excited. So any of your favorite foiled, duochrome, whatever sparkly color you want, just place that all over your lid like a shiny disco ball. We want to be seen from the highest of highs with our beautiful sparkly lid. So we are going to place that all over the lid. I'm going to go in with my Honest Beauty plum blush to add a little bit of sugar plum to the cheeks to top it off. We're just going to blend that through with our finger, and then I'm going to go in and start peeling off the tape slowly. Oh my gosh, showing the age on my eyes there. So then you can go in after with a little bit of concealer and clean up near the outer corner of the eye, and voila, so simple, so easy, so fun. Thank you for watching.